I ain't gonna front. I was kind of skeptical on buying these because I knew the material couldn't match up to these, man. These the Lila May joints. Different satin. Corduroy too, but that don't mean these ain't fire. Say what y'all want. I doubled up on these bad boys. Y'all keep sleeping. Hit the B-roll.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. I appreciate you guys, man. Every time y'all click, just know I appreciate you guys. Today, we're going to do a full 4K review on the Jordan 1 Satin Bred 2023. I emphasize 2023 because these came out a couple years ago, numbered pair, Bred colorway, in the Royal colorway, and I couldn't get my hands on either one. But I was able to get the satin, the Lila May joints, and it's kind of the same material as the numbered pair. And it ain't too off on these, man. The real reason people are sleeping on these, and if you watch the channel, trust me, I drop jewels, man. I told y'all, women exclusive sneakers do not sell out. And they be hot. The Lanny joints was fire to me. The Shadow joints was fire to me. A lot of them joints was fire, guys. And that women exclusive tag be throwing people off. We all can't get the size 12. We all not a 10 and a half. Some people are 11, some people are 12, and that's what makes them sit. But these are being very disrespected, guys. Very disrespected. You talking about a Bred Jordan 1, period. Forget it satin. Forget it's a woman exclusive. It's a Bred Jordan 1, guys. And I run everything Bred. I probably got too much Bred. No photo, no L's. The regular red toes, black. I got a lot of them. So whenever Bred come out, I'm going for them. I really don't care, man. But priced at $170 retail. You can find this sneaker in every store almost, and even under retail on StockX and GOAT. And I want to know why. So without further ado, let's unbox them. Hit the music.
Unboxing time.
Yes, sir. So you get that reverse box where the red is where the black used to be, and the black is where the red used to be. When this first came out, I was hyped. I think the first time I remember seeing these was the Jordan 1 USC to Chicago. I could be wrong, but I know that's the one that really stood out for me. But since Jordan's been changing the box like I asked him to do when I first started this channel, it's been doomed for those kind of sneakers. The Lannys, the Taxis, they all changed the box, but all those sneakers sat. But anyway, you get this nice red and black box. It reads Women Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG, Black University, Red, White. When you flip open the lid, you get this nice bag. It looks more like a purse to me. But remember, this is a woman's exclusive, man. But whenever you get something extra in a box for the same price tag, they didn't up it $10, it's a go for me. I like the purse. It's not for me, but I really like it. Inside the box, you get a swoosh logo, a swoosh Nike sign. I ain't got no quality control stamp. This pair here came from, the quality control stamp is here. It's in the box itself, right there. This pair came from Finish Line, I believe, and I got another pair from Sneakers and Stuff. And let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. Here's a 360 view of the woman exclusive Jordan 1 Satin Breds. The shine is beautiful, guys. I would love to know in the comment section below, guys, what's your kind of gripe with this sneaker? My gripe is the swoosh. I feel like that satin is a little like flimsy. It's not, you know what I mean? They could have did better. They could have made that a little thicker. But besides that, man, I like the shoe, guys. I really like the shoe. I heard some of y'all wanted the red where the black is, but it's satin, guys. I really like this shoe. But let's start with the toe box. There go your satin, red toe satin. Nice material, man. Feels like a nice pillow. I'm not gonna lie. I like this material, guys. It may wrinkle up a lot. I mean, I had that problem with the shattered backboards. Also a woman exclusive satin joints. But yeah, I like the toe box. Around it, you got black satin also. They could have played us and gave us leather here. They all satined it out, and I really, really like that. Nice quality. No glue stains of that nature, so I like that. The eyelids, it's in like a silver metal look. Well, it's black on the outside, but the inside of it is silver look. But it goes with the satin perfect, and I really like that too. The tongue is also black with a Nike swoosh in red up there, the Nike Air logo up there. So far, man, I'm not seeing what's the problem with the sneaker. But I do have a problem with the swoosh, guys. The swoosh looks more like it's inside the sneaker, where I wish it would have been a little outside the sneaker. But that's not really too much of a problem with me. There go your Air Jordan 1 logo stitched in black. I like that look also. Another thing, I feel like it could have been popped out more. It looks more inside the sneaker. Come to the back. That's where the swooshes connect. That's why you got the red and black look there. But look at the shine, guys. Just look at the shine of the shoe. It's a nice shine, man. Come around. Got that same swoosh again. Black eyelids there. I like the shoe, guys. I'm not going to front. The bottom has the classic Jordan 1 OG high white. Is that why I don't like? I like that too, to be honest, guys. But yeah, man, that white there. I mean, maybe it could have been sail white, but that's dope also. The inside, which people don't talk about a lot, is also satin. Well, especially around the sock liner. That's also satin too, guys. So you know you get a soft fit, comfortable there. I like that part. Take out the paper. They do not come with shoe trees, guys. They come with regular paper. So know that if you buy them from third party. You get a box, the Muda Zero box. You know, no more sandwich bags with the shoelaces. And you get a red pair. The red pair could go because it's a lot of black in the sneaker, so I like the red pair. Let me know in the comment section below which one y'all go with. But I think I'll go with the red pair. But you get a red pair in there, which is dope. So now you get a bag and some shoelaces for that same $170 price tag. Or is it $190? What one of those? Your soles are red with a black Nike Air logo. Also soft soles, maybe satin. Not satin, but soft. Soft soles, man. Women exclusive, guys. Your bottom is also OG. If you've seen one Nike Dunk high or low, or Jordan 1 high or low, or even mid, you're going to get this same bottom. It's all red. I like it, man. And I like that the red is also here. Keeping the same theme with the sneaker. That was the right shoe. This is the left, guys. Nothing's changed. I didn't tell y'all that the shoelaces do have metallic silver hits at the top. And it has a big Jumpman logo on it. Another plus, I guess you can say. And yeah, nothing's changed from right to left. Quality looks stable on both shoes, so nothing's changed, period. Yes, sir. So like I told y'all, I doubled up on them. One to rock, one to stop. This is a sneaker that goes straight to feet for me because it's a red and black. a bread. I just run to the stores with red and black on it. Matches with everything. Fatigue, blue jeans, black jeans, gray sweats. So I always like to cop a bread, man. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop? Like I said, I know they sitting in a lot of stores. Not that size 12 or that size 11 and a half, because that's the closest like we could get to as men. But all the other sizes are present, man, on the website, in the stores. Like I told you, StockX and GOAT has these for $170, $150. So they're available, man. The problem is I just don't know why. Like I told you, women exclusive, that's the #1 issue, I think, why people weren't drawn to this sneaker. And I think #2, the sneaker game is just down. If you look at them Royal Remastered Jordan 1s, they are like $200 right now, and we just got a release date for them. So, ones are, I don't want to say dead, but ones are slowly going down. But I'm going to stick with the ones that I want. I'm not going to go crazy, rebellion there, things of that nature. But the ones that I want, I'm going to have, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. I am doing a how to style of these, so the ones who like them, y'all going to be able to get some fire for your outfits. Everybody, get rich.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.